Kwaku Manu wo hwe asifin Nkwaseafuo odwan akofo at the time me fire na no patu anwure no abetwera agu ase more fire but your mama Nkwaseafuo ba ya wo ye NDC nti wachimi wo your mama Nkwasea ba teacher fo ntuom ka nurse fo ntuom ka mesisa Ghana fo akoma Jamaica fo mesisa Ghana doctors Ghana nurses and your mako Kuwait wo ya boa ntisa na obi konya accident wo kuro no ma okoduru hospital a ne nana saman wo your mama wo nana saman na ekohwe no hospital wa na
Kwaku Manu Kwaseaba yarefo ba
Ebusia the almighty Twene Jonas on an apprentice young don or I say senior and ni junior Twene Jonas and young don omu abe fire omu bogumbi any superment ebi akoma Mahama ho onse Mahama ebe kan se me efa dollar any series ensem ho how a dollar ni si esi ko Mahama ebe kan se bi na nse yen Twene Jonas abeke kanadwen pa kire Mahama ewo eno no ho ana fe Kwaku Manu asma be kan se Mahama enhye mra entia omu di Mahama tem no young don abeke kanadwen akire no na Kevin Taylor ebusia Twene Jonas abi Chelsea Kevin Taylor so abo bona dwepa edache in this video mo hu asma Mahama ekan ya ntino ahye Twene Jonas ebufu a now no wabe fire no part no apansam no aha Penyah block media mesro say any demo obe like video no other one obe subscribe button na say click notification icon for latest updates na be kire wa adwen dia ma me e wo comment section menso baswa no ahye video mo for so enya bi ahye etunum say dollar bo e ba form the Ghana crowd e ma chem ye no ye wo mo mani agye ho ene wo mu so a omo ebo enye so ora say omo mani agye ho no akoye NDC forum feel say oh okay omo e party e bo adwuma into dollar e ba form but omo so a omo ene nye ho e ye Ghana businessmen especially omo mu disika edidwa e wo internet abel phone tintankesim omo disika edidwa wo so no omo ehu ne mane so YouTubers we ora say ye kura no akaye ora say akaye pa akaye ma ye hu de anye ye ho akaye pa no kredo ha no aka akaye ade na kan amenyina na say ye nsakra no enso ye chayware ye hu ye left from right any ade but select ne be fan say dollar e ba form na dollar e ba form ana Mahama e be ka say oh dollar no kra no say e ko form pia e mo Ghana the economy will crash into they will find ways and means to stabilize it within 10 cities and 12 cities.
Some people say, oh, it will come down to 4. But of course, we know the true value of the city is not 4. And if it went as far down as 4, it will kill all your export businesses. And so myself, the governor and the finance minister met and discussed it. And they think that the real value of the city is anywhere between 10 and 12. Luckily, the forex auction has brought it to just above 10, and it appears to have stabilized there. So I think that going forward, anything between 10, 11, and 12 as a band where the city operates will be a fair value, both to encourage our exports, but at the same time not make imports so cheap that importers will flood our markets with toothpicks and biscuits and coconut and all those kinds of things. And so it's a challenge to our exporters to take advantage of the city's appreciation, because then the advantage you also have is raw materials can be cheaper, fuel has gone down, so transporting your products and all that will be cheaper, port charges will go down, and so it has incentives for you. And at the same time, it has incentives for importers. But I'm asking the importers not to take advantage of it and flood us with all the, Nkatia burger and things that they bring from other countries. Let's try on the import side to import substitutes and produce as many of the products that we bring from outside. Let's produce them here.
The dollar will go down. The economy will crash. Mahama cannot run this country. Ultimately, Ghana that. I live in Accra. 10 cents dollar bedroom no massa. Just a bosimia Mahama kwaje bosian betu Ghana ka. Ontimi to workers. Mahama cannot pay workers. Must $4 below 10 cents. He cannot pay workers. Mahama cannot pay workers. But in the next video I'll come and explain to you. The time say Mahama cannot run this economy. Must $4 below 10 cents. Ontimi run it. And if I fast my go come back say I Mahama enhye mrentia se de be ya obi kasetia president ya an ye betima jeli no ene Dr. Sansa ni Delhi a Kevin Taylor enso enuabere e defending no His Excellency Twene Jonas any the Vice President Yondon abusia omuti abom ama omo abogumbi enso comment omo afaya Mahama afaya Kevin Taylor asa afaya Kwaku Manu enya asemukuma
say no obisi Kwaku Manu said they should make a law to ban you from talking. Kwaku Manu wo hwe asifin. Kwaku Manu depression Nkwaseafuo. Kwaku Manu ofui. Kwaku Manu abuaba. Minim se wanya platform o ba be kase. Mahama Nkwaseafuo na kofa fake doctor emani beku Ghana for National Health Insurance you na da no che say the whole Ghana hospital bia omuji instruction free ashawoni no abua two ni a onim hwe ya na the boss of National Health Insurance o meka ho asem me a meti a me save the lives of Ghanaians no me ma sem na abeka ho fi waji scar reso na di wade odwan akufo at the time me fire na no patu anwure no wabetwera agu ase more fire but Mahama Nkwaseafuo ni ba ya wo ye ndisi nti wagimi enu nti odo kwasia be ka kire Mahama se onye law na kwasia Mahama no osromi o abua se si ame no ka say o hwe me on phone so romare gali ye madi Nkwasia asem o me banse me ko ties ka ma Kevin Taylor abua se onko can the almighty Mahama look up to me odwan me o hwe me anopatu anwure osromi obetimi ne kwasia abe kama sem da bi enti ko jimi encreate enemies ma ho eye dan a ukuma wudu na tonsom daachi obi be fro se be ye show ni ade ayefro bi be ye MC wase obenya kakra tafre emmedane politician na kombeku NDC MPP they come and go ko jimi enti hweso na fa tina oba bi na pretend say we neutral mind emeye politics na emwa sika na omdi amount di ayawa taxpayers money me taxpayers money ni edi amount na me enka no kre na jimi no kwasia Akufo-Addo so now bet na more fire we interview na Nkofo tisu di Akufo-Addo atem aggressive interview Nkofo di Akufo-Addo atem na patu anwure o mo ayo mo interview na Akufo-Addo ase kuro ni tie ntime ma wantimi ankasa o se Akufo-Addo nye law ba Mahama Nkwaseafuo na no fi oba ya wo dwene twen ho a odi esika nyina supply pad because oni ni nua Ibrahim Mahama yese menses no eye sikaduro kese pa be ma NDC again power na ni nua Ibrahim anya sikanti da bia say yekoku Ghana for manti anya pad nkose omutwani na moja ne so ni guma na esika ba bia omaduri omdiske kwanya chinchini a pad sem nya ope Ghana ni abaya asema anka obetimi aye pad no the first say am omusika se omo ankoto pad no ba nam se mo po maku omunti chinchini a ese mo anam de pad ba na Mahama utikutu no bi awai uti ebo pad so no afam no de atam ne twani eno na ye ofe ko jimi enti Kwaku Manu fa Kwasia ka wanu tum na menya adwuma no oman ni ye obi ahonton me mpem Kwasia de asia toruwa we jimi se enti na watam twede abeche Pakistan ni no wo efri na ko wo nware bio wo ware amebo pa me ababu anu abusuamfo asie o ma disqualify onko fa twefo from Pakistan ni aboa bio apoa stupid man can't feel baby tina Mahama no nyo bia o maniswa warm up there is nobody who is bigger than warm up is bigger than Obia and social media bloggers ni nyina they all look up to me they all mighty the American air adwuma ne kraman no Mahama no ye Kwasia mo kraman Kevin Taylor no me no hwe me anopatu anwume ni role model ne me ne boss ne me he learned from me. He learned from me. Oba social media no cambrofo. No say Twene Jonas views na no de ntima me mekatwi. He learned from me. Obi say people when you say, "Masa, me koda ma ni me more life until obi obetie no kra na ko free." Evakuchi Gaddafi was say Felix Kwachi the spokesperson to president is giving almighty last warning because of what Kwaku Manu said. Felix Kwachi ujimi amemo obi abebu anwumre o mempem Kwasia de mo mra na enya adwuma wa ha ebe ya adwuma o bloggers nketenkete no so Mahama mi dina tema kopem tema obesua nyansa because oye Kwasia obi anu oto abama mampanyini se o mesom twe obi ato abama mampanyini se o mesom oman enti so abana se o fe sika ni mi adwuma na o de crap harder oye abua ntime gina ne so nto se obehu nyansa diska na bi a static 24-hour economy because enunti ni amema yeto abama no ne kwasia. If you have $400 million and find come China ni aboa na only sika ne say o print pad aba ba first factory na say NDC fo ni kogum say de be ya next time make us o mo so nkoto abama mu a o mbekọ akoto abana mamu because NDC ni tifie come de no onya adwuma nye na sika no wo ho sami jamfia sisa guka mu chema agrada mu na sika ni gu ho de aka ye de amaje na abirwa poso onfa nkọ abrochire ntina private jet mu enkwankwasa na ne ho yade na abirwa no owu a oni abranti a wasi so no ne omienu abirwa ne abaya ho na ne nkwahia abirwa de wawu awie wadi ne nchine nyina owi ase awie owu a mfa ho but ababa wawu a ye problem abranti ewu a ye problem enti mu make sure say mo disika ne baby adwuma dan say mo disika ne live luxury life Nkwaseafuo say Jimmy we anti na ne mpa kufuado ti yakofa mabana mo be repeat Jimmy na Nkwasea me mama nya asumdue se ma Jimmy a me ka kire me mama nya asumdue se ma Jimmy a me mama nya asumdue ntonto se mbesua nyansa me nya mo pa mo sua nyansa first atofo se sua nyansa da bia me bona baso o chi dollar dendene onyimi ti se kenofoyata we focus on monitor dollar no we Jimmy and kono me we fire na to force ni mi nyansa mi prezi no sa na dwoma maja etwe ho adwene na o concentrate o 24-hour economy anu ntina me di ni one last year enkoto abama no na fe obe now so say my employ 5 million Ghanaians and no me ba be prezi no na se da bia etwesem no makofa hye woni be mani post na etwesem na Ghana doctors na wie school ye postu omo nurse fo wie school ye postu omo no makofa etwa free abrochire se on free America otete mrewatu bini wa America meye doctor abra doctors omo ye professional wie university bu Ghana ho etifie omo nini omo si aboka gu kwa omo nya adwuma nye wo ya boa na obi onu nko school da wosimatam ne se onu na meye doctor wo nya boa until so mbesua nyansa na minya obia. I'm sorry, it is what it is. Warm up, there's no favoritism. And the your mama statistician nyansa me ba be president. I'm sorry, it is the truth and the reality. Munyina munim until say wo kosu Jimmy me ba be fire no mo mra na nya adwuma me mani so Kwasia Trump mra kura suro me Trump mra ni say o chi obi a on free krom ade ne koni krom me na ma o mu twam no pa me ni boys ni nyina na kwaje coffee o mu si o mu akwachi nipa 700 ewo yonkers o mu de o bon besin akogu play ma deport o mu nim se me free krom a nso o mu be catch dem me Trump na suro me o mu twam manim na o mu chiche immigrant for de o mu ko and they say ya first na bibifuo no mu na masa na o mu o mu ko me nam krom ha ka metim broni na busuani kura nya bi montena da kopim tambo be wutu ohumi osuro me. Does that make sense to you? Ti your mama Nkwasea mra na nya adwuma o memani so a ti Kwaku Manu, let me tell you, this is your last word. We Jimmy ameme ya be po ba shout Ghana na kufuado me di na tem na wo na wo share video no what you say enti ene your mama ba no so Jimmy ti say kufuado na me di na tem a untime sha ko anu tum na pa ba bi tem me create enemies ma Nkwasea before me Jimmy na NDC for so aba no be repeat Jimmy na san bibini obeda ayeye o wi ase ti bibini be head the owner of the resources you will go the timber diamond bauxite aluminium bibia ye obi and some penifo Jimmy ti yewu obi se Kevin Taylor supported the fake doctor Kevin Taylor ko di no oni jo mama nyina na di twene bom abaya ne de twene e be purpose omi eni nyina akwa di no and nti no mu Jimmy na omu ka se Ghana ne omu dia ho ja mo ma Jimmy jo mama no be sua nyansa Kwasia ye de oba no oba se obechi galamsey fo nti chairman kutu no ye galamsey no ka kwache no Kwasia unia Ibrahim Mahama excavator no mo de ye galamsey no ka stop no frɛ baba omi afrɛ unia no se jiji was excavator no na excavator na wa mo de ye bauxite o mo sensuo o mo de ye galamsey no e be gu maban ni mase unia no friend na tunefo because tema na kufuado aboa no so na unia ne sensuo and na unia ne sensuo enti sa no what is the difference between money and NPP for no obviously na say NDC for the town so my Jimmy bibini problem ni say on pe ni poka no crashem bibini da bia say o dada no ne na ni age ti say John Mahama buy me buy 24-hour economy. Other than omo no munyina ni age oba ese sika no all the 24-hour economy no or the supply pad nipa no bosumi bia ne pad no ese wo de foforo ba ti bosumi bia ese otue sika ma China ni print pad ne ba ti adan na wunwunya nsan fa sika ni mi adwuma na adwuma na nipa ne ye no no anyi ni sika nkoto pad no abontin no yi taxes a free pad so a simple solution. Until when you employ everybody in the country, America, mampanyini bia ni wa okapada se mekuranya Mahama nkamnima de kro. Enti ye bia adwuma ma obia wi school a onya adwuma e Ghana ni fa nso so beduru ya no onya adwuma ye. Enti say obisi NDC is bringing new year levy unkoma jimi nkameba be pu John Mahama enu anya Nkwaseade sika na esami jamfi asisegu ka ma o che odi biato $500,000 no gold ni sika no monfa enu anya o man ni na monfa forget levy sem yi levy an ne de akufu adoko fie no ti se amokofa foforo ba me wanwe kura me nkasampo Ghana fo na beto ati amoromare Ghana ni no onya adwuma nya ne wo kire no Nkwaseafuo mu gu VAT mo ba mo cars uncountable mo ji sika free dia ne ho kire na woni adwuma ye no wo si da bi me se be wia no sa jimi wei eno na akufu ado ye de om ko fie no what you say ye de car free brochire ba duty eta ho etimi to car ne 20 mo ji sika ni di free o John Mahama Kwasia ba teacher phone tuom ka nurse phone tuom ka ba wo sika de supply pad won anti fia teacher for ka Vakuchi was said the dollar has increased with some cent today. I don't know make say Matisi here to John Mahama de Kwasia betina say I omo na share boy say omo the dollar na be to 3 but see ade omo ntimi dollar no aba for my beka 12 enti asan pagya na ekwa me wa be fire omo me pese duru 12 no ma start ya fire omo. What is the difference between 12 and 15 na na no 2%, $2, 2 cedis per enti monye ehu me wa be fire omo enti say omo nim no manya jimi say na dollar no afa de e be sa atia asamba atia asane because the entire basa and say omo wie sika no e de to cars a dollar no e kosoro ni nyina ye on say no ma ba foforo no mo starting years can enti ama exchange rate say equilibrium of pricing, all other things being equal, the higher the quantity demanded, the higher the price. The lower the quantity demanded, the lower the price. And say it me export more goods than said the AC import. Wow, now you see in strength. But I say almost starting various kind of politicians no be a crowdless eman impna crowdless eman na shawoni discani omu discani nyina importo normal cars akese luxury cars ti said yes ami jamfi akọ importo $500,000 car no sikani nyina wo economy no mu pia san de koma broni enti e ba sa orumare the dollar no be san sinking also munti se dollar no be san sinking ti omu nim se dollar no be sinking ti no ma she de be jimi abe propaganda no e che se omu be start e wie sika no. So, and when the dollar is rising up, HSM penifoni yes cano. Wow, and I saw for 4 years Kafo Krunum no, Omunias canning on your Kogu dollar account. And Tiabasa de Bia Brunino, and the year more. And at the same time, no, Kwaje Bosian so ba, Sicano, as Omudi Bia Jumana de Sika, a generate income ban. Because your mama fan said pada old tea. $400 million. Wow, what the supply pad me look $800 million. But says you can Shenoko, now me catch us every 1 minute be a train and number, minimum say namu ketikiti train and number, oh Mizumi and Zumi, train and namu ketikiti airport. But I said, what the $800 million in the Pierre Juma? Or romantically, workers in our form. But some big tax amount buying. At the same time, no company no be generate profit. And to the profit margin, no every capital no I would start ebe fail capital back. Now fail no automatically you gain the money back over the years. But se wo kofa sika na de ko ya ade a emfa sika mrewa da bia no economy ne be crash na ama bibini bre no wo koji sika fa bi adwuma da bibini agimi o se Joma ma de ne kwase abetena o lunch labor export mesisa Ghana fo akoma Jamaica fo mesisa Ghana doctors Ghana nurses e de o mako Kuwait wo ya boa ntisa na obi konya accident wo kuro no ma okoduru hospital a ne na saman wo Joma ma wo na saman na ekohwe no hospital wa na abra hospital no nurse no waso a mo akoma kuro bifo se yeye nkofo na o mako school no a o mbe som man no o mo nkosom obi man na saa no accident si awan na akohwe o mo tisa jimisem we no nyina no enema economy ne crash no
Kwaku Manu Kwaku Kwaseaba yarefo ba Kwaseaba Penyah na meka kiro no oba so obi aba so nhye no kwantantam Kwaku Manu Kwaseaba tie You think the Awokan is a joke, right? That's what you think. You think it's a joke? On say why not the same bro as a would agro no abegina wo give. And it's not a joke. The Awokan is not a joke. It's not like you are joking. You are serious. You are too serious and Awokan on some phone Awokan say em wan news nipa meti. Who Penyah na meka kiro no? Who Penyah na meka kiro no? Enya bua na oya kuma wudi awi from head to toe atani aji kuma wudi nafa Ghana ni bia di adanse ase kuma wudi akwa kuma no ne kuma se for ko ni kodwo nkansa ne muwa na omutwasi ni nyina no obi a Ghana ni bia adi adanse ase atani aji afa from sinino from the start to the end kuma wudi atani yenkwa to the uno what Jimmy now you don't know freedom of speech, you know. Now why gonna say anybody the atama yanchin tuma with Jimmy what can ya bash you will so support to the Awokan say the Awokan is right. Massa Jimmy no Jimmy no mami antetewa mubu nem Jimmy no Kwaku Manu Jimmy no why Jimmy no homa why Kwaseaba Jimmy no why uni chance ni so be ka kire Ghana fo say obi di atama yanchi no Kwaku Manu uni mfa ni chance ni abuwa makana man ba why Jimmy meboa we yarefo yanwo adwene na atirim ya wotu tiafiso on ya wotu tiafiso agana so ene ya wotu yo tena wa Jimmy sana ase wono wo betena wona eya wo se wo kanya asama emu asam na wo kan wo betena wo na ya wo se wo kanya asam wona ani munyansa Ghana fo nyina metie nyansa na asama ba na wo kan bi na wo kire wa adwena na okasa 1 2 e madwemba okasa
Tira wa adwemfa mame e wo comment section na ha yi Penyah Block Media Accra.